not prove that the 12 truly planned or killed the policewoman. The judge said the witnesses who spoke for the government gave stories that did not agree with each other. And the evidence they brought did not directly show that the 12 were involved. Now, this, of course, does not mean they are guilty or innocent. But what if their stories agreed? Is it possible the verdict would have been different? There are so many what ifs. And I don't like it when a case has been concluded and there are still questions that do not have direct answers. 0817-923-0002. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, Sam, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, my name is AJ calling you from Port Harcourt right now.
Go ahead, JJ.
Sam, I thought your guest would have still been on the line. I want to ask, what about the period, the lengthy time that this whole trial has happened? Like you talked about Shima Kunados, right?
Mm.
You saw, what's the name? Is it something George Will and the other policemen, John Bosco and all those?
Yeah.
They are still in detention till today.
Inspector Rose, I think.
People lost the trace of these cases before they now tell you, oh, they don't give judgment. I don't get it at all. There's another one too that is still in court. One police lady that was shot by a policeman around the Neka area. I don't know if you remember that case. Up to today, we have not had anything. The Gracious West matter and so many others. Why can't we see this case at least from the day it starts October 1st, finish October 1st, this year, even up to Supreme Court? This one is High Court. They are now saying they will take appeal. They will not say, and the court also said these people, for wasting their time, that 1 million should be paid to them. And now we want to appeal, maybe another 10 years. We want to appeal again to Supreme Court, another 10 years. What are we talking about here? We can reduce this whole thing now. Sam, I tell you, I beg.
Well, you know, JJ, I've spoken to a few lawyers about why the wheels of justice grind slowly. And they would say, in the business of gathering evidence and to do it properly, they need as much time as possible so that you don't send an innocent JJ to prison for what he didn't commit.
It's a good reason, Sam.
You understand? So take all the time.
Sibori, right?
Yes.
You know James Sibori? How did they gather evidence? And at the end of the day, it didn't take 2 months. He was jailed in London. On Capistorius, how did they gather evidence? And some other cases all over the world.
Those were not. Those are not in Nigeria now. It's not Nigeria, JJ.
So
you understand?
We are Nigeria now. We should just be backbenchers.
No, I'm not saying we should be backbencher, but you know what we are going through. Police welfare. We are still arguing that, right? It's a slow process.
I don't know what we're going through. Even those British people even came to Nigeria to get evidence against Ibori, and they did it in less than no time. Now, Sam, make we shame small now. How many years? Over 8 years, and it's High Court, another 8 years in Appeal Court, another 8 years in Supreme Court. Even at this year's legal opening, the Chief Justice of River State is saying that all those excuses and all those, that it should not take it this time around. We should put this into practice, not when we are opening the legal year, we just talk it and we drink Coke and sleep. Does it make any sense to you?
It's not supposed to, but thank you, JJ. Our judiciary leaves a lot to be desired. If the hope of the common man is under construction, that tells you that the common man might be tempted to look elsewhere. Stay with us.